8 Japanese dual sport bikes that last forever.
Я взял у товарища примериться, проехаться, попробовать.
When you think of legendary dual sport motorcycles, names like the Honda SL230 and Suzuki TS200R usually come to mind. But what about the underdogs? There's a hidden world of rugged, adventure-ready Japanese bikes that have built cult followings without the mainstream spotlight. These machines aren't just bikes. They're trusted companions on backcountry expeditions and cross-country journeys. Dual sport motorcycles are the ultimate all-terrain explorers, engineered to tackle rugged trails while cruising comfortably on city streets. They combine lightweight agility with off-road toughness, making them perfect for riders chasing adventure without sacrificing practicality. In this list, we'll reveal 8 lesser-known Japanese dual sport legends that have quietly earned their place in motorcycling history. Whether you're planning epic overland adventures or weekend trail rides, these unsung heroes are built to endure. Number 8. Yamaha XT225. The Yamaha XT225, also known as the Zero, is a lightweight and capable dual-sport bike. Its 223cc air-cooled engine is famous for bulletproof reliability, while its compact frame makes it ideal for trailblazing and navigating tight paths. First released in the 1980s, the XT225 has earned a cult following due to its rugged build and dependable off-road performance. The XT225's design emphasizes durability and ease of maintenance. Its simple mechanical construction and long production run keep parts readily available, ensuring continued longevity. Its wide handlebars and low seat height make it approachable for new riders, while its long travel suspension and agile handling make even challenging trails feel manageable. Its lightweight frame enhances maneuverability, while its enduring aftermarket support keeps it relevant in the adventure riding community. The XT225 also boasts an impressive fuel economy, making it a top pick for extended backcountry adventures. With the ability to carry lightweight camping gear, it has become a trusted companion for solo explorers tackling remote trails worldwide. Number 7. Suzuki TR250. The Suzuki TR250 stands out as one of the toughest, no-frills dual-sport bikes that punch far above its weight. Powered by a reliable 249 cubic centimeter air-cooled single-cylinder engine, the TR250 thrives on rugged trails while seamlessly doubling as a commuter bike for everyday urban use. Its robust mechanical design, coupled with its minimal electronic components, makes it a top contender for riders who value simplicity and reliability. The TR250's exceptional durability stems from its heavy-duty steel frame, built to absorb shocks from rough off-road riding while providing stability on paved roads. Its old-school carbureted engine is designed to endure extreme conditions, making it easy to repair even in remote locations, a crucial factor for adventure riders who venture far from home. Its lightweight construction further enhances its off-road agility, allowing riders to navigate narrow technical trails with ease. One of the bike's defining features is its 6-speed transmission, which offers a wide gear range suitable for both slow, technical climbs and fast highway cruising. Its long, padded seat provides exceptional comfort for extended rides, making the TR250 an excellent choice for long-distance touring. Its generously sized fuel tank ensures riders can cover significant distances between stops, making it a favorite for overland adventures. Adventure enthusiasts appreciate the TR250's practicality and affordability. With a thriving aftermarket community, customization options are nearly limitless. Riders can upgrade the suspension for tougher trails, add luggage racks for extended touring, and fit upgraded handlebars for better control on rough terrain. These modifications make the TR250 not only reliable, but highly versatile. What truly sets the Suzuki TR250 apart is its long-lasting legacy in the dual sport community. It has become a cult classic among budget-conscious adventurers and seasoned riders alike due to its unbeatable mix of rugged performance, low maintenance requirements, and sheer reliability. Its enduring popularity ensures that parts remain readily available, keeping this iconic dual sport bike on the road and trails for decades. Number 6. Honda SL230. The Honda SL230 is a dual sport bike that often flies under the radar despite its stellar reliability. Featuring a 223 cubic centimeter air-cooled engine, it balances power and efficiency perfectly. Its straightforward mechanical design ensures ease of maintenance while offering a fun and responsive riding experience. The SL230's lightweight frame and well-tuned suspension make it surprisingly capable on rugged terrain. Its quiet engine and smooth power delivery allow for comfortable long rides, making it suitable for everything from weekend trail rides to extended backcountry exploration. Its simple construction and minimal electronics ensure long-lasting performance, even in harsh riding conditions where durability is critical. Its fuel efficiency and comfort-focused design make it a strong contender for adventure touring, and its easy maintenance has made it popular among DIY mechanics. The SL230 is ideal for riders looking for a reliable all-rounder that can conquer various terrains. Number 5. Kawasaki Super Sherpa 250. The Kawasaki Super Sherpa 250 is one of the most underrated adventure bikes on the market. It shines on technical trails and rugged paths thanks to its lightweight frame and durable 249 cubic centimeter engine. Its long suspension travel and easy maintenance have made it a cult favorite among off-road explorers. The Super Sherpa's air-cooled engine and strong steel chassis allow it to withstand harsh conditions, while its 6-speed transmission ensures smooth performance across varied terrains. Riders also love its fuel efficiency, making it ideal for long-distance rides. Its ease of servicing, combined with a strong aftermarket support system, has solidified its place as a reliable and long-lasting adventure bike. What sets the Super Sherpa apart is its versatility. It's equally at home in the mountains or the city. Its reliable electric start, lightweight design, and large luggage rack make it an excellent option for adventure touring and light commuting. Number 4. Yamaha TT-R230. Although marketed as a trail bike, the Yamaha TT-R230's dual sport potential is hard to ignore. Its 223cc air-cooled engine and rugged frame make it capable of enduring harsh conditions, while its lightweight design ensures agile handling on narrow trails and steep inclines. The TT-R230's low-maintenance engine and durable suspension setup make it perfect for beginners and seasoned riders alike. Its broad aftermarket support means customization options are nearly endless, making it a reliable platform for off-road adventures. Its simple air-cooled design ensures minimal maintenance needs, making it ideal for long-term ownership and continuous outdoor exploration. With its durable skid plate, high ground clearance, and lightweight build, the TT-R230 is a reliable companion for tackling tough trails. Many riders modify the bike with additional racks and fuel tanks, extending its adventure capabilities. Number 3. Honda NX250. The Honda NX250 is a dual sport legend that blends off-road capability with long-distance touring performance. Its 249 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled engine delivers smooth, reliable power while maintaining fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both trail riding and highway cruising. Designed with adventure in mind, the NX250's rugged build and adventure-ready design have earned it a loyal global fan base. The NX250's lightweight construction, combined with its protective fairing and well-balanced chassis, makes it a capable adventure tourer. Its responsive engine ensures smooth acceleration even on steep climbs, while its wide gear ratio handles various terrains with ease. Long travel suspension and a durable steel frame provide stability and comfort on rough off-road trails, while its road-friendly tires excel on paved routes. Comfort plays a major role in the NX250's design. Its padded ergonomic seat and wind-deflecting front fairing make long-distance rides more enjoyable, reducing rider fatigue on extended journeys. Its ample fuel capacity allows for long rides between fuel stops, making it a top choice for overland expeditions and adventure touring. The bike's simple yet durable construction makes it easy to maintain, even in remote areas. Its liquid-cooled engine prevents overheating during demanding rides, while its advanced braking system offers reliable stopping power on varied surfaces. Adventure riders appreciate its modular frame, which supports accessories like pannier racks, crash guards, and auxiliary lighting. Despite being out of production, the Honda NX250 has developed a cult following, with owners praising its near-indestructible build and unparalleled reliability. Its enduring appeal is bolstered by a strong aftermarket support network, making parts and upgrades readily available. This dual-sport bike remains a timeless favorite for adventure seekers, overlanders, and riders chasing the perfect balance of off-road grit and long-distance touring comfort. Number 2. Suzuki TS200R. The Suzuki TS200R is a rare two-stroke dual sport that excels in off-road performance. Its lightweight design and powerful 195 cubic centimeter engine provide thrilling acceleration and excellent agility. Built for rugged trails and demanding environments, this bike is a hidden gem for adventure seekers. With its high ground clearance and precise handling, the TS200R dominates technical trails. Its simple mechanical layout ensures that even challenging repairs can be managed with basic tools, making it a favorite among DIY adventurers. Its durability and trail-ready features make it an unbeatable option for riders seeking an authentic off-road experience. Number 1. Kawasaki KLX250 Supermoto. The early models of the Kawasaki KLX250 Supermoto are the ultimate example of versatility and rugged performance. With a 249 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled engine, long travel suspension, and a lightweight chassis, the KLX250 thrives on city streets, forest trails, and rocky mountain paths. This do-it-all dual-sport bike has become a go-to for riders looking for reliable adventure without sacrificing street performance. The KLX250's responsive engine offers smooth power delivery across a wide RPM range, making it perfect for tackling steep inclines and powering through tight urban traffic. Its nimble handling and agile frame allow for precision control in challenging off-road environments, while its highway-friendly nature means you can ride straight from the city to the trailhead without skipping a beat. What makes the KLX250 truly special is its durable build. Its rugged steel frame, long travel suspension, and advanced braking system ensure consistent performance even in punishing conditions. Riders praise its aftermarket support, offering upgrades like custom exhausts, reinforced skid plates, and luggage racks for extended touring adventures. Though often overshadowed by more famous dual-sport models, the KLX250 Supermoto has built a loyal fan base that keeps it relevant in today's adventure scene. Its trail-ready design, combined with street-legal features, has helped it maintain a dedicated following among riders seeking the perfect balance of on- and off-road performance. Whether you're hitting technical trails or cruising city streets, the KLX250 proves that adventure knows no limits. These lesser-known Japanese dual-sport bikes have carved out loyal followings thanks to their rugged reliability, long-lasting engineering, and adventure-ready designs. Whether you're a budget-conscious adventurer or a seasoned rider looking for something unique, These motorcycles are built to last. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more top motorcycle lists and adventure stories. Ride safe and ride forever.